I just muted everyone, guys. So let me start with the session here. So let me log into the system, guys. So yesterday we were working on the propagation rules, right? Maintaining the propagation rules. As I told you earlier, how you are going to maintain your propagation rules is like you have to work on your propagation data model. Which is nothing but a XML file, and that is the place where you are going to maintain your propagation rules. And the propagation rules are going to be maintained between your foundation objects and the succession data model objects. And so let me recap you. Let me show you the file, guys, and then I'll go ahead and do the configuration. Okay. This is your propagation data model, guys, the XML file. And if you look in these things, so you have a tag called as a propagation, and you can see the propagate, and you are defining the source. What is your source information, from which object and which field you are trying to read, and those things, those details will go here, guys. The first two lines will tell you the same thing, the source object and the source field. And yes, you want to propagate the destination object job info, and what is the destination field inside the job info is the standard hours. So that is how it happens, guys. And in order to keep a new rule, it's pretty simple, guys. Go ahead with one of these foundation objects and open a tag called as a field. Let me write a simple rule, guys. Field ID is equal to what I want to do is like I want to get the country from the company, and I want to display it on the job information, guys. So let me open the what do you call the succession data model and the corporate data model to find out the field IDs, guys, the technical IDs of your fields. This is your corporate data model, guys, which we are using currently. You see, country is the technical field ID of your field called as country on your HRIS element company, guys. So what I am doing is like I am reading the company.country and I want to update that on the jobinfo.country, guys. Okay. So for that, I am going to build a rule in your XML file, and that where I am going to build is like I have to read the good thing is like rather than creating a tag, guys, copy one of the existing things and paste it here, and you want to read company.country, right? You can see the source is company and the field is we are trying to read is country, and we are trying to update job info.country. Let me get the name, guys, the name of the job info, and what is the field of your country. Let me get that from your data models. Second, guys, for succession data model. Okay, we lost, guys. 1 second, guys, sorry. Yeah, this is the one, guys. You can see your HRIS element job info, and right now, yes, we are here, and let me find out the country, guys, and inside that, yeah, you can see, guys, field is the standard element is the country, and that is what I am interested in populating on the target. So I have to, which is correct guys, we already placed it. So I am good with respect to maintaining the field or the rule of your HRIS propagation guys. So with these things, how you are going to verify the changes? Let me save this thing guys.
Hello Raghu, can I see your screen please?
Hey, can you speak a little bit slowly, Victor? Your voice is so loud. Hey, yeah, sorry. Are you able to see it now, Victor?
No, it's gone back. Yeah, it's all right now.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, Raghu, for some reason it's just going on and off every 2
Yes,
minutes.
Raghu, sometimes it's visible, sometimes not.
Not sure, guys. What happened? Like because my broadcasting is on air, it says that if it is broadcasting, right, it will broadcast it. I'm not pretty sure, guys, what is happening here.
Raghu, what are you trying to propagate?
Yeah, country field. I don't know, like who. Country field on your job information, guys. Everything looks good, guys. I'm going to say the network connectivity, there is no network issue also, guys. Sorry about that. Let me see
No,
if
Raghu, it's not network. The fact is that your GoToMeeting page actually flips on it, so that's the problem.
yeah, I agree with you, but that might be, I don't know, like usually it won't happen, guys.
But it's all right. It's all right. Go ahead.
Yeah, sorry about that.
I could see properly, but there is no problem from my side.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Not sure, guys. Maybe something. I don't know. Like most of them are telling that, right? Okay, guys. We'll notice that if something goes wrong, right? Yes, definitely. Let me look into it. But it's not in my hand, guys. That is one more thing. Let me log into the provisioning system, guys. Now, when you are logging into the provisioning system, right? I am the one who is going to. I'm not going to share my screen, guys. That's what I do. But rest of all those things, it's straightforward, guys. I'll share everything with you guys. Let me go to the, and this is the propagation data model. Click on submit. And as an exercise, guys, I'll give you an exercise on your propagation. It's pretty simple, guys. Let me give you that. Let me finish this testing and then I'll give you an exercise on that, guys. Add new employee. What I'm trying to do is like I'm going to get the country from the company. So ACE USA underscore company has the country name of United States, guys. If you let me log in here, I'll show you. Hey Sandy, yesterday you replied, right, stating that that is working fine. Hello Sandy.
No, Raghu. I didn't reply. It's okay, fine.
Sandy and Sudhir.
Sorry, it was my reply.
No, I see two
My
emails.
ID is also not.
Raghu, I have not received any access details or credentials.
Who is that?
Sandy, success factor.
Hey
Who you-
Sandy.
This is Sandy, and I have not received credentials for my center.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hey Vijay, it is 25th, right? Hold on a minute, guys. Just a second, guys. Let me. I'll get back to you. 1 second, guys. Vijay, it is 25th, right? It's 25th of EST. Yeah. Yeah. I know. Like, yeah. Oh, sorry, guys. Hey, hold on a minute, guys. I sent it the credentials to everyone, and I saw a couple of emails from people stating that yes, they are able to access. That is the reason I didn't resend them, because they are if they are already able to access that, I'm good. And even Ray,
Raghu, I have not received any email.
1 second. Who is this?
Sandy.
Raghu, this is Sri. I didn't receive anything.
Oh yeah, Sri, I forgot
Sri,
about
I
you.
didn't receive
Yeah,
anything.
I forgot you, Sri.
Okay.
I agree with that. But
Yeah, here. Even I didn't receive.
1 second,
Raghu, even I don't have my credentials with me.
1 second, guys. Sandy, I shared your details, but you replied stating that they are not working, right?
Yeah, but that was for yesterday, Raghu. I mean, a couple of times you sent, but it was not working properly. I mean, I could not get access to that.
Okay. Sandy, though. Okay, Sandy and Ray, are your credentials working, Ray?
No, Raghu, they are not working.
It's not working for me either, Raghu.
Hold on a minute, guys. Hold on a minute. Just a second, guys.
Yesterday you said there is some error due to some manager assignment.
Yeah. That is one for one of the user. I don't know, like which ID we tried.
For everybody, I guess. For Sandy, for Sri, everybody, the same error.
No, for me it was just that the password or username is not working basically. So mine you had to reset, Raghu.
1 second. Hold on a minute. Let me figure it out. You see, I am trying for Ray and okay, I reset the password, right? Okay, let me go here. Shit, the username is wrong, guys. Let me try this. Okay, see here the same error, guys. It's not a problem with the password. It's invalid manager. Let me check that. I'll do one thing, guys. I don't want to waste all of your time. I'll do that immediately after the session, guys. Just if you don't mind.
Raghu, it's the case with everybody. It seems like I also have. I'm also getting the same error, invalid manager detected.
1 second. It should not be, guys. 1 second.
Raghu, I'm using one MCAN, Mr. Khan.
Hey, you use your ID, Victor, not MCAN. MCAN is motion.
No, that's what I'm telling you. Yeah, you gave me MCAN. You've not changed it, man.
I didn't send you the latest one.
No, I just told me it sent me this thing, but it gave me MCAN, then the password and also what I mean.
Okay. I'll create yours. God, what happened? Like,